Power BI, Qlik Sense. If you are looking for business intelligence software, then one of these two software will be a good fit for you. However, how do you determine which one that is? Well, of course, you need to put them head to head, see what features they have, see what drawbacks they have, and see if they fit with your needs. Today, we're going to go through all of that. So let's do it. So jumping into Power BI now, you can actually discover powerful business intelligence software that turns your data into actionable insights. Power BI actually offers intuitive tools for data visualization and analysis, as well as empowering better decisions. Let's have a look a little bit more. So first of all, it has that easy data visualization. It has a drag and drop interface, which simplifies building dashboards quickly, and you can customize it the way that you need it. You can combine Excel, SQL Server, and cloud data effortlessly, and it offers you real-time updates which provide instant access to your current metrics. Example use cases could include tracking sales by region and productivity categories, all in real time. Also, it has AI-powered analytics for smarter decisions. So it offers natural language queries, so you can actually ask questions in plain English and you can get instant yet simple answers. It also offers quick insights to automatic trends and anomaly detections, which can save analytical time. And their machine learning integration. So it has advanced analytics for predictive and prescriptive insights. This is fantastic. Also, you can customize your visuals. So you can create unique charts tailored to your specific business needs, and you can import from the marketplace or develop your own using Power BI SDK. For example, customer satisfaction gauge charts for quicker and more effective insights. It also gives you mobile accessibility. You can access all of your dashboards anytime, anywhere on your mobile device. Of course, as long as you have an internet connection. It also has a native app for iOS, Android, Windows with some offline accessibility. Having a look now at one or two of their drawbacks. Of course, every software that you'll use will come with one or two drawbacks. First of all, the technical requirements. It does have quite a bank of advanced features, so you would need a little bit of background to use Power BI nicely to its full potential. Also, it does have a steeper learning curve if you are a beginner. One of the other things is reports of performance. Large data sets can actually slow the dashboard responsiveness down quite a bit. And then one of the other things is to consider the cost and see if it's right for you. Let's have a look at Qlik Sense now. So Qlik has associative engines that let you, as the user, explore your data freely. It uncovers hidden connections missed by your traditional business intelligence tools. This leads to a more intuitive and comprehensive insight, and it also helps better decision making across your entire business. You also have a drag and drop interface, which of course is super easy to use. It allows you to easily build dashboards as well as visualizations. It reduces the learning curve and accelerates development for faster data analysis across your team. It allows non-technical users to create insights easily. And if you are looking for business intelligence tools or software, one of the big drawbacks is always the learning curve and how much time it'll take for a team to actually be able to use all of its features properly so that you're actually getting the value for what you're paying for. One or two of their drawbacks is it does come at a price, so it will be slightly overwhelming. If you are a smaller business, the cost can influence your decision making. Also, as I mentioned earlier on, it does have some technical barriers. Of course, it is complex software. However, it is a little bit easier than some of its competitors. But if you don't have any experience at all, it will be slightly difficult or more time consuming to actually get to learn how to use the software. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Two softwares, one choice. Which one is it? On the one hand, you have certain use cases. On the other hand, you maybe have a budget-friendly option or something that is less complex. The key takeaway here is to go and use the software. See what works for you specifically, and then go with that. If this really was helpful, drop us a like, and we will see you next time.